Hello guys. So today I will build a Flask application and I will deploy on uh, Azure Web Apps. Okay. And after that I will demonstrate you. So I will do the CI/CD part with GitHub Actions. You can see that here. From here I will demonstrate you how how the CI/CD part are running. Okay, so just let's start it. So at first I will start, not start, I will just initiate the web app because it will take some time to uh, creating the web apps. So I will go to the Microsoft Azure. Let me just zoom in a little bit. This will be fine for you. Okay, so I will search app service. So this is app service, and then I will create web app. There are many options in app service, but I am going for only web app. So let me first create a resource group. So resource group may be Flask resource group. This will be fine. And we have to give a instance details. So it will be the prefix of the host IP. I mean host name. So I will go with Python Flask app. Okay, this is not accepting. Oh, it's accept. Okay, so I will publish the code from GitHub repo. Now I have to take the runtime stack. So I will, because it is a Python application. So Flask is a Python application. So I will take Python 12. Okay. Region, because I'm from India, so I will take India, Central India. Okay, okay, this gives me an error, so I will go with one. That's it's not as a demo. Ah, it just accept that. Okay, so after region, so I will go for pricing plan. So I will not go with free tier because it will take a lot of time, and so I will go with basic one. It's just cost efficient. After that, I will go database. I don't need database. I don't need deployment because I will deploy through GitHub account, but not for now. Let's just initiate the web app. After that, I will integrate that. Okay. Uh, for after networking, in networking, I will access the public, and I don't need network injection, all those things. So just skip that part, and let's just keep this as it is. I don't need a tag. Who needs a tag? Okay, after reviewing, the memory will be 1.75 GB memory, size is small, basic SKU. Okay, so I will create this one. So it start creating. Okay, in the meantime, I will go and show you the application. So this is the Flask applications. You can see that this is the Flask application. So it just render a template. So in my template, you can see there is a template version. So in template version, you can see that template folder, not template version. In the template folder, you can see that this is my index.html and it returns hello Azure Web Apps. Just a simple application, index.html application. So it just is, I'm styling, I have styled something. So and there is nothing can show you. It just render the index.html from that. So it takes this from templates, and I have also created a test HTML. So if I do, this is a new terminal. So if I do Python app.py, so application will start on port number 5000. Let me just increase the zoom in. Yes, you can, now you can see that it just open the port. I mean, it is running on port 5000. Okay, so let me just go ahead and localhost 5000. Okay, so you can see that hello Azure Web Apps. And I have also, okay, let me check the, okay. So deployment has done, so go to resource and let me just go to the deployment center and I will go to GitHub because this is my Git repository. Okay, and after that I will select. So earlier I have signed in as a mixed veg. I mean my GitHub account name is mixed veg. So I just use that. So it just automatically signed in as a mixed veg, and I will go with this, and I will take the repository. Okay, there is lot of repositories. Okay, so my application is Flask app. I have to search Flask app, FLASK Flask app. There is 3 Flask apps, so I will go for the basic Flask app. Sorry. And after that, the branch will be master branch, right? Because this application is on master branch. And after that, I will just save this. So you can see that the deployment has started. Okay, and if you refresh this repository a little bit and a little bit, yes, you can see that one GitHub workflows has started and a new commit has been done. And if you refresh a little bit, you can just see that something is happening. What is this? You go to actions and you can see something is building. So that is a CI/CD part. So already build has done, and I will go in deploy. So it is deploying the application on the Azure app, I mean Azure Web App. So I will do the refresh. Okay. It will take some time. It will take some time to reflect the application. In the meantime, let me go ahead and you can see that it is running on localhost 5000. Okay, so it is a localhost IP 127.0.0.1. So it is the localhost IP address for all the application, or if you deploy any application on localhost, the IP will be 127.0.0.1. So this application is a Python application, and uh, I just created with a Flask. Okay. So I have shown you that this is test.html, which is under static. So we can redirect to the static also. So static, you can see that static, and after that test.html. Okay, you can see test.html. If I do enter, you can see that this is a static directory page. Hello Azure Web App. Now let me go to the this. Okay, you can see that this is a static directory of page and hello Azure Web App. Okay, sorry, this is my OBS. Now let me take you to the deployment. So it will take some time. We have to wait for that. So right now it is running on deployment. So if I go to the this is a deployment center. So you can see the logs from here. If I go to here, it will redirect to the same page. Okay, we have lot of things here. We can do lot of things. We can change the service plan. We can see the load testing and performance testing. We can do also, and and so if we go to the overview page, it will take some time to reflect because it is just building the application. It will take some time. We have to wait. We have to be patient. Patience. So in the overview page, if we go to the default domain, so this is the you can remember that we have uh, give a prefix like Python Flask app demo. So after that, it just add the host name. So the host name is this. If we copy this and paste this, I hope this will not give it will not give anything for right now because it is building the application. So it will take some time. We have to be patient. We can stop the application. We can restart the application. We can also delete the application from here also. We can refresh it also. So we take Python 3.12 for the runtime stack. And the deployment provider is GitHub Action. So from GitHub Action, it is deployed. Okay. It is taking too much time. Okay, we will wait. It takes time because if okay, it just give an error, I think. Okay, so it will not give anything. Okay, so I will do a rerun all jobs. Refresh the jobs. For refreshing the jobs, I will rerun the all jobs. Okay, rerun all jobs. I hope this time it will succeed. And again, it started committing, not committing, it just building at first. and after that it will, okay, maybe there is anything. No, there is no wrong in this. So build has done. Now it will deploy the application. We have to wait again for deploying the application. We have to be patient. So, okay. Again, let me go ahead and start this application. It will redirect to Azure Web App. So just wait. We have to be patient. So wait for a second. Not for a second. We have to wait for a minute or about 5 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. I will cut this thing. I mean this stage, or fast forward this. Okay. Hmm. Let me refresh this page again. It is deploying again and again. So this is not web app application. It was running on localhost. If I refresh it, it will not run because I have stopped it. So just cut this. Hmm. It will take some time. We have to wait for it. The title is Azure Web Apps and the message is Hello Azure Web Apps. Okay, so let me go to the. It is taking up some time. Just wait for some minute. It will deploy. Okay, it's just done. So all the deployment is successful. So I will take this this default domain name, and I will copy this and I will paste on the URL page, and it gives a internal server error because still now it is deploying on internal server. So it will take some time to reflect. Okay, and we got this application. Now I will do the CI/CD part. Like um, if I commit from a local repository, I will commit from a local repository. I will commit a change from a local repository, and it will reflect on this uh, GitHub page. And as soon as I done some commit on this remote repository, the CI/CD will rebuild. You can see that uh, now here is nothing is running, no action is running. Okay, so I will just do some change. So I will do some change on index.html. So now I will write something like hello Azure Web Apps. This is a representation of what? This is a representation of CI/CD. CI/CD. Okay, I will save this and git add dot git commit hyphen m CI/CD commit, and after that I will just push this repository to my remote branch. I mean remote repository. Git push origin. What is my origin? Master, master. It will give me an error, I think so. I know, because in this repository we don't have the Git workflows, so we have to rebase them. So git pull rebase origin master. Okay, you can see that Git workflows has downloaded from remote repository, and this is the YML page. It just created automatically. Okay, now you can push that. Okay, git push origin master. So before that, um, I will show you that here is nothing is running right now. You can see that last build was success. It was just previous build for, so before that, before this demonstration, I have tried something and we got some error because it is a part of a DevOps engineer. So we face some errors. So we have to rectify them by checking the logs or anything like that. Okay, so git push origin master. If we, okay, sorry. If we push, yes, the push has done. And after that, if we go to the code, okay, you can see that CI/CD part is pending. So that means the code has deploying. Okay. So it is a commit message actually. So if we go to the build, already build has done and it started deploying. It's just that easy to work with GitHub Actions. Maybe someone says that we can we also use Jenkins, because Jenkins also do the same thing. It is a CI/CD tool. Yes, we can also do this demonstration with Jenkins, but for this demonstration, so from web apps to web apps and GitHub integration, so GitHub Actions will be the most easiest way to deploy the application on CI/CD. So it's just that easy. So you can see that already deployed, the artifact has done. It first zip the artifact and zip the build an artifact. So downloaded the artifact from build job, and then it will unzip the deployment and it will deploy on the web application. I mean web apps. Azure Web Apps. Okay, it's just running fine. Thank you, God. It's just running fine. because because if I go to the actions, you can see that I got a lot of errors. Oh, it's just a part of coding, and I enjoyed this. I personally enjoyed this. So I will go to the CI/CD part. CI/CD part. Oh, okay. The job has done, I think. Okay. So if I go to the again default domain, if I copy this and copied, okay, so we can refresh it, right? Right now, it is not reflecting. It will reflect, it will take some time. Oh, so we got this. So hello Azure Web Apps. This is a representation of CI/CD. So my demonstration has done, and okay, bye bye. Peace out. Bye.